Hi there! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to bind your transcripts verification report from CHSI. After binding them, I'll demonstrate how to electronically send them to WES. And thank you to all those who have reached out to me. I apologize for not creating this video earlier as my schedule has been quite packed these days. This process is straightforward, so please follow the instructions. Now, let's get started. First, you have to log in into your account using this link. I will also include the link in the captions below. On the CHSI website, on the left side, you'll find where your transcripts have been released, while on the right side is the CHSI website, which we will use to bind your transcript and send it to WES. In your CHSI account, first ensure that you translate the website to English. Then navigate to the My Verification tab. Here you'll see a list of the reports you have requested and their status. Next, go to My Messages and click on the Transcript Verification Report to download it by clicking on the report number. After downloading the report, make sure to note down the correct report number located in the top right corner of the first page of the transcript report. After noting the report number, open your CHSI account to bind your report. Click on Send Abroad Report, then select Front Page and click Send Report. Choose International Agencies, then you have to choose WES. Fill out your details such as your last name, first name, email address, and phone number, making sure to include your WES reference number. That is very important. Ensure all information is correct or the page won't allow you to proceed. Once you've confirmed all the details, click Next Step. Locate the Higher Education Transcript Verification Report and click Bind It. Select the third option and enter the report number you have copied earlier from your transcript report. Click Bind or the green button and you'll see a list of reports. Click Continue Binding below. This indicates that you have successfully bound your TOR or your transcript verification. Return to Send Abroad Report and repeat the previous procedure. After filling out the same information, you'll notice a tick box next to the Higher Education Transcript Verification Report. Check this box to send it to WES. Click Next Step and review all your details. Then click Send, which is the final step. Now, the report has been sent. After a few seconds, you will receive a list of reports sent to WES. And there you have it. You'll find all the details, and upon refreshing your page, the status will change from sending to sent successfully. Congratulations, you've made it this far. If this video has helped you with your CHSI reports, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you everyone for watching this video.